Hello and welcome back to Scale Me Down. Remember to like and subscribe to support the channel. We've had a busy year aerotowing at our local field and we've actually worn out our 3 multiplex models. This really isn't a complaint and it's far better than the fate of most model aeroplanes. I've had my multiplex Heron since 2015 and Gwen's had her Soleus since 2019. These models have logged hundreds of flights in this period. In that time, we've worn out the wing roots on both aeroplanes, the canopy clips, many of the foam hinges are cracked, and we've worn out 2 Eneloop Pro receiver packs, and it's testament to just how good these models are. Meanwhile, the FunCub XL that we use as a tug has also had a hard life, as most of its career has been spent at full throttle towing gliders, and she now sounds quite rattly and geriatric. We've already replaced these aircraft. The Heron has been replaced with the Fly Condor Evo, Gwen's Soleus by the Tony Ray Mini Moa, and the FunCub XL with the E-Flite Draco, all of which have featured here before on the channel. But we thought it fitting to give these models a good send-off before we bring in yet more gliders to the fleet. And coming soon in 2024 will be a rework of our Fly Dua Discus at 4 meters span, our Graupner Discus CS at 4.5 meters, and the Slingsby Petrel at 5 meters span, and perhaps a new Tony Ray build. And that means there'll be lots more gliding content here on the channel in the future. There are now 2 pairs of buzzards local to our patch, which is very handy for indicating where the thermals are. The new models we've introduced into the fleet are brilliant in their own ways, so I don't feel too sad retiring our multiplex foamies. They've given us tremendous pleasure over the years, but there'll be even more fun times from this rewarding branch of the hobby with their replacements. There's also growing interest in gliding at our local club, with some clubmates currently building scale machines to tow, so stay tuned.